Good morning, Nesties. This is Netta from Florida Zone 10A. I don't know if we had a windstorm last night or what was going on, but I got some stuff knocked over, and it's cold out here. I'm a little boob too. Some over here are gone. I need to go find them throughout the garden. Oh, there is one over there. I did notice that my greens were leaning over. It's just some squash in here waiting to come up soon as the season permits it. I see another one over here. Oh, ooh. Don't y'all pick at us, Floridians. But we say it's cold. Okay, I got that back down. I'm going to put something on my hands. Ah, had to be the wind. This is my onion tower. And I left that out there for the puppies. Nice to see that there is still life on this little thing. This is the something beauty peach tree. Hands are frozen. Orange tree is going to be just fine. That's the little patty pan. Can't believe that. That's a drawing. I thought this was going to die. It's hanging on in there. Nice roots on those onions. I'm just going to pick this up and somehow restore it. I don't know if somebody was climbing on the greens. I think it was just the wind. It's probably the wind. Them taxoids are trying to catch on. They keep digging in. That taxoid catching on. Some sunflowers in there. They're growing. That tomato's struggling. It got cold. It got cold. And whoever's eating this up here, I'll probably cut that down. Nice little canopy. Y'all remember last year this time we had tomatoes all the way around here. I wasn't going to do that this year. Kale's coming in. Carrots coming in. Celery's coming in good. Let's see, dog potty. This grapefruit tree is struggling. This pepper tree is full of peppers. I hope those two watermelon stay on there. Macoyas did eventually catch on. Azaleas. I hope that I'm not making all that noise like the last time I did when I recorded. It was just a rat-a-tat-tat. Something coming in down here. That's either Swiss chard or cucumber hanging in over there. I have a couple of runners of strawberries. Not a very good green, collard green and mustard green season. Some tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. This is still hanging in there. That's one of my cabbages. Carrots and onions still growing good. Peppers still hanging in there. And some onions. Bit of cauliflower. I thought it was this red cabbage ain't doing nothing. I'll be ready to revamp all these peppers. Cabbages didn't shake nothing. There's a tomato bush out there. Some tomatoes growing right there. And I put that one over there in that Tabasco pepper. This was just looking good the other day. And it just got too cold for it last night. It was cold, y'all. We'll see how they fare through. That tomato's still hanging in there. Did it split? Yep, it split. I'll see if it'll heal itself. If we get any warmer. I thought I had a tomato. No. Well, despite they turning. This poor cabbage. When it was way down here, it was trying to bowl, but keeps changing his mind and change his mind again. This is definitely the wind affecting the greens. I think I'm gonna pull them out. I'm missing a boob tube. Those are tomatoes busting loose. Not tomatoes, potatoes. I don't know where that boob tube is. Those are flowers coming through. I came out here yesterday. There was a rat running on the fence. Puppies didn't see him, but they would chase him. Some tomatoes in there. Some tomatoes hanging on. Some more cherry tomatoes. I'll get out here and pick them. Make me a salad. This is bok choy that I'm just letting go on the seed and let it just gonna drop right there in this bed so I can grow back. Yeah. I'm gonna all those peppers and move those further in. Now I gotta get out here and pick up this container over there. I'll be back. Y'all, I came in the house. It was cold. It just probably took me every bit of I don't know, about 5 minutes. So I feel like my hands need to thaw out. I came here and sat in front of the fan with the heater and rubbed my hands together. Yeah, it's cold. I don't belong out there, but I just wanted to pick that up because I have quite a few red onion um in that little tower. I'm gonna have to find a new spot for it. I did learn something watching another Floridian gardener about the papaya, even though the leaves and stuff will die back, but the papaya will continue to grow. And another thing I learned about my little ecosystem here is that encapsulated in my little garden walls, protected by from the any north, protected from any north wind. I'm protected by my mango trees. That my tomatoes and everything is still doing extremely well. There's still a cucumber, quite a few cucumbers that are growing out there. So things that like the cold are doing extremely well. The banana, that's to be expected. But considering everything looked pretty good today, I am impressed. So I'll know next season that I don't have to really cover up anything, even down to 40 degrees. I'm good. So every season, I'm learning something different about the garden. There's always new revelations. So, and I was commenting, although I didn't have a good green season, collard green and mustard green season, yeah, I don't have nearly as many tomatoes as I had last year at this time, which is fine because I had entirely too much and I said I wasn't going to plant them that way. I still see how hardy things can be. So now my next thing is going to be to get this timing just right to get my tomatoes planted. The 2 times that I can have a good crop, I should be able to have nice tomatoes from October. I should be able to grow tomatoes from October to February. Yeah, I should have actual tomatoes from October. No, all the way up until April. From October October to April, I should be able to be picking tomatoes consistently from October to April. October, November, December, January, February, March, April. That's 7 months. I should be able to pick tomatoes. So I'm gonna say I gotta get this timing just right. That I get them planted in that little window to get them to survive, to get them out in the garden to start growing and producing from October and to wrap around into the following year. That's my goal. All right, Nesties. I just wanted to show you that it was chilly out. I came out to hang out in the garden just to pick up some things and show you guys what was going on. I haven't got lost. I'm still here in these YouTube streets. I just haven't had much, I haven't made much content, but I'm gathering some stuff slowly. And you hear my boys back here. They were just out running around too. But anyhow, I just want to thank you for coming into my home. Thank you for allowing me into your home. And I'll see you next time, Nesties.